This website is called Weather Whiz Kids and is a great resource to show your students when talking about what the different types of natural disasters are. For my purposes, we're going to be looking under the Natural Disasters tab and specifically looking at earthquakes, as this is a topic I plan to explore within my lesson. When looking under this tab, you can see that it talks about the different questions related to an earthquake, and then if you look to the left, you can also look at basic definitions related to earthquakes, how earthquakes are measured, and then safety about earthquakes. This part of the website is a key reason why I chose this, as students are going to be creating their own safety plan within small groups that talk about what you can do before, during, and after a given natural disaster. So here they can use this information to include on their poster. Something else I really liked about this is that there are different activities related to the natural disaster, and this is nice because in a future lesson I could create different experiments about the natural disaster, which would really enhance their learning and comprehension about what these actual natural disasters look like and what happens during them. I plan to use this in the beginning of my lesson when giving basic information that students can use to then talk about in their safety plans. But this would also be a really helpful resource to assign students individually where they could look out at home, or they can use Chromebooks if they have these in their classroom when creating their posters. This is really also just great for teachers to look at to give basic kid-friendly information to your students. And this website is very easy to navigate through for students, so they can do this on their own, through the classroom, and with parents.